Remove the battery cover and non-press the Setting button for 3 seconds. Then the knob will go back to the initial status. Non-press Start key, then Voice Promote, please add Administrator. Add a same fingerprint 3 times and then a fingerprint administrator added successfully. Non-press Start key, then Voice Promote, please add Administrator. Add the same password ended with hash key and then a password administrator added successfully. Here, I add another password to make 3 administrators added fully. Non-press Start key, then Voice Promote, please verify administrator. Verify administrator, then the voice will promote, please add user. Add the same fingerprint 3 times and then a fingerprint user added successfully. Add the same password ended with hash key and then a password user added successfully.